रश्मिता ने मेरा 60,000 का खर्चा करा दिया है.
It's almost like Dubai chocolate. She's so cute. Working out always makes me feel better. I'm gonna have the whole coconut pandan all to myself. 90 snacks. Mummy, daddy. This is called Kamar Kit. Yellen the Palam. Hi Khushi, how are you doing? How's work and everything?
Hello, it's crazy. But आज अश्मिता ने मेरा 60,000 का खर्चा करा दिया है. I love this camera. It's so cute. Wow.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to one of my friends' house. They just moved out and they've invited us for like a little party. So I'm going there. Currently I'm in Express Avenue West Side. I'm just looking for some home decor to gift them. I'll see if I find something I'll get, or else probably I'll come back later. I'm not sure if Express Avenue West Side has home decor, but let me see. My bad, West Side in Express Avenue does not have home decor. VR has, so I thought Express Avenue would also have, but unfortunately they don't have. I went to Lego after this, but I just figured they wouldn't have the time to sit and do that, so we're at Home Center and we actually like something. It's like a little bowl with a small turtle. Turtle is also known for good luck and all that. So we're planning to get that. We're also looking for something else just in case we find something nicer. Of course, I had to get the -30 pistachio popsicle. I love this popsicle. It's so yummy. It's almost like Dubai chocolate. Only if it had the katefi, it would taste exactly like Dubai chocolate. So damn good.
I'm also doing the same.
There's a private beach from where my friends stay, so we thought we'll just come to the beach, chill a little bit and go. I'm actually like really hungry. Sean's been telling me since a very long time that he wants to go to the Broad and ECR. Excuse me. So we've just stopped by here for some coffee and vegan options if anything is available to eat, because it's just on the way. So yeah. Hello, it's 2 days later. We are going to the vet. We are taking Izzy for her booster shot. It was supposed to be done a few days back, but I misplaced the book, so I just found it. I was searching it for so many days. I didn't misplace it. I kept it somewhere carefully, so I don't misplace it, but I forgot the place that I kept it safely. Now I finally found it. She's sitting on my lap. Oh, she's such a cutie. I'll show you guys. She's not scared at all. She's not scared that we are taking her out. She's super chill. She's just trying to explore and all that. If this was Bullet right now, he'd be screaming at the top of his lungs. She's so cute. Hello, good morning. It's the next day. I'm actually gonna start shooting. I just got ready. I have to shoot a couple of videos. I'm actually confused what to shoot. Like, I have so much content that I need to shoot that I just don't know which one to prioritize and which one to shoot. I'm checking in 2 hours later. I did not shoot anything. I just went and sat on my chair for some time and I kept scrolling. I didn't realize when 2 hours went. I also got a call from my friend, so I was talking to her. And yeah, I just wasted all the time. I didn't shoot anything and now I have to leave to the gym. When I come back, there won't be light. We're going out because Sean has off tomorrow. We're going to Basque. I actually forgot that place even existed from the time Chiako opened, because I just keep going there all the time. Today Sean was like, where do you want to go? And I'm like, anywhere is okay. And then he asked me, shall we go to Basque, because it's been so long? And I was like, yeah, oh my god. We already had our dinner, so we're going there to just chill for some time. We'll probably have fries because they don't have very many vegan options, and their coffee and matcha is absolutely shit. Anyway, and today I did not work at all. It happened first time since the time I started my content creation journey that I got ready and then I didn't shoot. No matter how bad I'm feeling, what I'm going through, I always shoot if I get ready. But today I just couldn't. I don't know. I'm feeling a lot better now that I went to the gym and came back. Going to the gym always makes me feel better. I wish I could go in the morning. The morning after I come back, I'll feel better and then I can just start my work. But my trainer is not available in the morning. It's okay. It was just one of those days where I was not feeling like shooting or doing anything. We'll get back tomorrow. No, actually tomorrow is Sean off, so I don't work when he has off because he only has one day off. So day after tomorrow I will shoot. So we went to Basque, but we were just 1 minute late. Apparently they close at 10:45. We went at 10:46. So they were like, no, we're closed. I was like, we're just here for fries. We're not gonna have like dinner. They were like, no ma'am, it's closed. So we left and we are at our usual place. We're at Chiago. And today the coconut pandan is available and I'm so happy. I'm gonna have one whole tub or tin or whatever by myself. Usually Sean and I will share. Today I'm like, I wanna have the whole thing. Plus Sean was like, he wants to have the mango sorbet. So we were like, okay, let's just take one for each. I'm gonna have the whole coconut pandan all to myself. Hello, we're going to Cafe Eva. I don't know how it's pronounced, but we're going there. Shumma. It's already 5, almost 5, and the place closes at 6. Hopefully they serve us. I don't know why we're always late everywhere. Like the place could close at 10 o'clock and we'll go there at 9:30.
మన డిష్లో ఉందా?
I think so. So we came to Besanagar beach and finally I found the guy who sells all these 90s snacks. We last bought when we came here like really long time ago, and I even posted a reel where we are eating all of this and I put a caption saying only 90s kids will know, and so many people asked where he sits or whatever. So today we found him, but he was like, no, you can't record, so I just took a small clip. He basically sits right opposite to Starbucks in Besanagar beach and I'm so excited I found all of this. Let me give you a small haul of what all I got. First I got this Star tablet thingy. When you eat this, it's super cooling. I don't know what it's called. I would like to call it Star tablet. Then I got this paper thingy. It's literally like a paper. You eat it, it just melts in your mouth.
ஃப்ரை பண்ணி சாப்பிடணும் போல.
It just melts in your mouth.
Sweet.
Then we got this. This is called Kamarket. It's really hard and it's sweet. And then this is called Yelanda Vada. Yelanda Vada. Yelanda Palam. This is called Yelanda Palam. This is sweet, spicy, tangy. Yeah, I have no idea what this is all made of. Look, I bought so much. I've been scammed, you guys. There's literally nothing inside. What the fuck? I'm not able to show you, but this is how it. And I can't waste it. It's called Mommy Daddy because if you see like this, it's Daddy. If you ulta it, it's Mommy. Good morning. I'm actually going to this place called Inco Center. The person that I adopted my cats from, she also has a Pearl store. We're also friends. So she's putting up a pop-up at the Inco Center. So I'm just going there. I won't be buying anything, but I'm just going there to just, you know, as a support and see if I can help them with something. Actually, Sean is driving because I'm dropping him to the office. His office is on the way, so I was like, let me just drop you. Technically, I should be driving to drop him, but he's driving. From there, I will drive and go. I'll be there for some time, and then I'm planning to go to some other cafe to just work because it's been so long since I went out by myself, and then I have to come back home because I have to go to the gym at 5:30. I go to the gym 5 days a week, whether or not you see gym content. Sometimes I go to the gym and I never shoot anything, but I go 5 days a week. I don't skip gym because that's my only happy place right now. So this is where I'm at. The place is actually very, very pretty. They even have a coffee shop, which is also by one of my friends. That's the coffee shop. Look at these beautiful flowers. Look at the sunflower. Oh my god. Look at this place, you guys. It's so beautiful. So on the other side, I think the event is going on. Hi. Say hi. Where's Vaishu?
He's not here.
Like a very good, responsible girl, I packed my lunch, pre-workout, everything, but I forgot to bring my spoon. So I cannot have my lunch, so I have to go home.